Now you can start your career in manual testing. One should thorough with the basic theory such as testing principles. There are total 7 principles for software testing. Then there is STLC, which means software testing life cycle. In STLC there is activities and deliverables. Then there is type of testing such as unit, integration, system testing, sanity smoke testing and regression testing. And there are n number of type of testing. One should really have a basic knowledge. And then there is testing technique, boundary value analysis, equivalence partitioning, decision table testing, state transition testing. One should really know how to write a test case and what are the attributes we should inculcate in test case template. And if you want a video on how to write test case, you can comment down below. Next step is defect life cycle, which is also known as bug life cycle. Some agile and scrum concepts like sprint, roles, artifacts and ceremonies. The main concept is severity and priority, and one should really know the types of severity and priority. One should really know how to use the Jira tool with JFire plugin, creating test management activities like test cases, importing test cases, test cycle, reporting bugs, and agile process like creating sprint, creating user story, epic, etc. If you want to give your mock interview today, you can mail us at zeleniumpath@gmail.com.